Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing Born Pretty Metallic Drawing Gel Polish for you. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So this is the metallic drawing gel polish and I'm gonna show you how to use it, and I will be also using the Born Pretty Gel Color shade BP106. So step 1 is clean the nails like the normal nail art process. Step 2 is apply a thin layer of base coat and then cure. In this video, I won't be using a base coat. And then next is apply a thin layer of color coat. I will be using Born Pretty shade 106 and it is a milky white color. And then after you apply the first coat, cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. Apply second coat of color coat and then cure. After curing, open the Born Pretty Metallic Drawing Gel Polish, shade MD02, or it is also called the Cyberpunk. Next is design your nails using a thin nail brush to draw what you want and then cure. Born Pretty Metallic Drawing Gel shade MD02 is a silver color. This nail brush comes from Born Pretty, so I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys know where I got these products, and don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 or ROSEDIY13 to get 15% off when you shop at Born Pretty official website. So this is really easy to use and it is not messy compared to using the chrome powder. So I really love this one. And I also love the metallic effect, it is very bright. Born Pretty Metallic Drawing Gel Polish comes with 8 different colors. It is made with healthy, environmental friendly and no poisonous ingredients. It is quickly drying with any UV light. It is long lasting for at least 2 to 3 weeks. It is fantastic and super bright for the nails. After applying Born Pretty Metallic Drawing Gel Polish, cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then apply top coat. I will be using my Born Pretty Super Top Coat because it's a long-lasting top coat. Cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. So this is the result, guys. It is really nice and it is very elegant color. I love how neat it is. It is not messy to use. It is really easy to use and it is very bright. And I love the consistency of the gel polish. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.